Welcome to Stockerton, Pennsylvania. I made my first visit to the Nazareth Area Society of Model Engineers during their holiday open house. This club was founded in 1980 and occupies both floors of an old firehouse that was built in 1921. The club layouts are modeled in various scales: O, S, HO, and N. This video showcases their N-scale model railroad. The other layouts will be featured in separate videos. The N-scale layout had just a small amount of space along one wall in the main upstairs room. Fortunately, in N-scale, you can fit a lot of cool stuff into a small space. The plane tracks you see along the back wall used to run through a mountain tunnel. Club members recently removed the mountain to allow visitors to see more trains running. They will soon be rebuilding this area, and I look forward to seeing their progress during future visits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.